launch spot over there. I reckon in the summertime this place would be really busy. There'd be people everywhere. As it is, there's still a fair few people around. It's a lovely Sunday afternoon. A couple of people fishing, somebody trying to paddleboard out. Seen a few kayaks around. Good thing there's no speed boats or jet skis around here. I don't know if they're not allowed here or if they're just not here today. A bit of a hassle getting your jet ski down there. It looks like you can only carry things in. Yeah, I don't think there's any boat ramps on this section, so it's more for just really light watercraft. Alright, time to pack up. Might take us about 2 hours to get back. Probably got about an hour and a half of sunlight. Well, this is interesting. It's not every day you come across something like this. Lovely spot to sit. Cast your line, watch the sun go up or down, have a barbie. Good fun. How cool. Those people know how to make the best out of a good thing. So that's the channel there where we paddled through before to get under that log. And this is the lagoon down here. So we're going to paddle back the lagoon way. But first we'll just pull up on this beach because it looks so bloody nice. Well, Jan was hardcore and went and scouted it out, and she said we could probably get through, but we're going to have to pick up our kayaks and carry them over. Oh, okay. Our way through this. It's going down the guts. I reckon it's probably to the left. Follow Jen. Lovely. Yeah. Well, we made it back for sunset. There it is. Pretty buggered. Lovely paddle. Somewhere different for us. And now we know how to get up and down there, and others watching this will find out what they're in for if they go. Jen's just gone to get the kayak cart, and we'll pack up and we'll go. So would I do the paddle again? I wouldn't rush to do it. There's plenty of other places to explore. But if you live near here and you're looking for a place to paddle, it's definitely a nice place to be. Or if you just want to explore somewhere different. So that's from Devlin Street off Castle Road down to Yarramundi. Alright, well thanks everybody. See you.